मैं कौन होता हूँ तुम्हें माफ़ करने वाला। Who am I to forgive you? Who am I to forgive you? दरवाज़ा कौन खटखटा रहा है? Who is knocking at the door? Who is knocking at the door? तुझ में और मुझ में बहुत फ़र्क है। There is a vast difference between me and you. There is a vast difference between me and you. आज सुबह मैं देर से बेदार हुआ। I woke up late this morning. I woke up late this morning. आज रात यहीं आराम करो। Take rest here tonight. Take rest here tonight. हम वक्त से पहले पहुंचेंगे। We will reach there before time. We will reach there before time. मैं सुबह का घर से निकला हूँ। I have been out since morning. I have been out since morning. खुद को संभालो। Compose yourself. अक्ल बड़े के भैंस। Wisdom is more powerful than strength. Wisdom is more powerful than strength. ऐसे कैसे बताऊँ? How do I tell you like? How do I tell you like? तुम्हें उसकी उम्र का लिहाज रखना चाहिए था। You should have regarded his age. You should have regarded his age. तुमने मेरा हक मारा है। You have usurped my right. मैं मजबूर हो गया था। I had been compelled. I had been compelled. ये रास्ता सुनसान है। It is deserted route. It is deserted route. मैंने तुम्हें पहचाना नहीं। I could not recognize you. I could not recognize you. क्या दुश्मनी है मुझसे? What enmity do you have with me? What enmity do you have with me? क्या बक रहे हो? What are you blabbering? बराए करम ताख़ीर से आने पर मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए। Please excuse me for being late. Please excuse me for being late. उससे मिलने में कोई मज़ायका नहीं। There is no harm in meeting him. There is no harm in meeting him. ये बात तुम्हारे और मेरे दरमियान राज है। It is a secret between you and me. It is a secret between you and me. जल्दी में उसने दरवाज़ा खुला छोड़ दिया। Being in haste, he left the door open. Being in haste, he left the door open. मुझे आज बहुत सा काम करना है। I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. मैं बाल कटवाने जा रहा हूँ। I am going to my hair cut. I am going to my hair cut. उस दवाई ने तो कमाल कर दिखाया। This medicine works miracles. This medicine works miracles. मैंने उसे घर से निकलते देखा था। I saw him leaving the house. I saw him leaving the house. वो मुझसे 2 साल बड़ा है। He is 2 years older than I am. He is 2 years older than I am. मैं लाहौर में पला बढ़ा। I grew up in Lahore. I grew up in Lahore. उसकी आंखों का रंग कैसा है? What color are her eyes? What color are her eyes? लाहौर यहाँ से 3 मील के फासले पर है। लाहौर is 300 miles from here. तुम्हारी शादी को कितना अरसा हो गया है? How long have you been married?